Welcome back, folks, to the BC Vintage Truck Museum. Today's highlight vehicle is this 1937 Mack EQ. Bob King had purchased this Mack from Shell Oil of Vancouver in the late 1940s. The body design is typical of coal trucks that were used in the 30s and 40s. The decks were often depressed with a bow to them along the center line so that coal bags could be transported without tying them down. The EQ was one of 7 E models available. There's original old school black and white picture of it. The front cab. There's some of the details. And let's look at the truck itself. Look at this beauty parked here in the back, front 9. Just in case you forgot. There she is. Or there he is, I should say. Saying, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Here I come. I'm eager to go. Let's do this. EQ. Beautiful Mack grill. 37 plate. Sorry about that one. Another emblem, nicely placed. Let's have a backup view so you can see what we're actually dealing with here. There we go. Let me get this thing out of the way so we can have a real gander at her. Nice, eh? Love that color. The old school seam fabric. Let's go have a peek at the back end before we go inside. City coal. So it's got a bit of storage stuff on here now, but you can give a little taste of, see how it's bowed in the back here. I don't know if that quite shows it, but you can see on the edges where it's kind of flat in the middle, and then it's got a bit of a curve on each end that kind of keeps things in the middle, as it's supposed to. Let's have a peek down the side here. Kind of tight quarters here, but we'll go inside and have a peek in the cab. Look at that. It's like army green. 1937 Mack. So I can get in here and show you the dash instrument panel. A little dark, sorry about that one. There's a speedo up to 70 miles an hour. In case you forgot, it's a Mack. There's a bit of info in here. Restoring the truck circa 1970s. Wow, it's come a long ways, huh? Let me see if I can plant my butt in here. Give you a better look at what it would be like when you're driving the thing. Just to tell you, the gears, wiper motor. So there's what it would be if you were sitting in the middle driving down the road back in the day. You got your air conditioning here. This is your handy dandy. Get out of my way, I'm turning left. Old school turn signals. I'm amazed at this photo though. Let me see if I can get it in light. See a little more about what was going on with it. It's come a long ways, huh? Really stripped down. And then we got a little glove box here. Let's see if we can pop that thing open. Yep. Paperwork. So that looks more like the original color. It's a little darker than what the dash is, which is interesting. Inside, it's got the burgundy red kind of color. Nice though. All right, one last look at the outside before we wrap up this video. Let's get a picture from this angle. All right, there you have her, so folks. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 37 Mack truck. Stay tuned for this video more. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments what you think I should show next on this channel.